just a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. In the kitchen again today, Mason barking at nothing. As you can see, I don't do just one thing. I've got here some bread that I'm waiting to rise. There's 2 lots of bread there. There is over here, there is burger buns waiting. I'm waiting for them to rise. I've got another loaf of bread there and some garlic townshire bread there. And at the moment my cooker is the warmest place, so that's where they're staying at the moment. In this bowl I have 125 grams, I'm not sure how much that is, but 125 grams of flour, self-raising flour. It's possibly just over half a cup, 3/4 of a cup, might even be a cup. To that there's about 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, and I'm adding 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of normal caster sugar. Now I've got 1 egg in here I've beaten up, and I'm going to add some milk to it to take it up to just over 150, about 170 mils of milk. And add it in and mix it up. Now I remember doing these years ago because my son absolutely loved these, and I used to do, this is just 1 batch load, but I used to do 4 batch loads at a time because they freeze so well, it's unbelievable. Take them out, you can either put them in your microwave or take them out of the freezer, put them in your microwave, or let them defrost in your fridge or on the side, and then put them in your toaster. Oh, brilliant. Now you need to heat up a griddle pan or a normal saucepan. In my case I've got this, but I've been using it to film on, so I'll have to turn the camera off while it gets hot. One way to test if your griddle pan or frying pan is hot enough, just put a little dollop of it on. If it starts settling and cooking, it's hot enough. Mine isn't hot enough at the moment, but it's getting there. Yeah, as you can see, it's not hot enough at all. Wash this off now. So it's had a total of 4 minutes, and you just get dollops of it. It is stringy. I'm trying to move my arm out of my way. And put them on. Do another one a bit bigger. I think this would be better with a ladle, well, rather than a spoon. just leave it sitting on there, and I'll get my little ladle. Right, it might be easier with this ladle. Let's give it a go. So I've got a ladle full, and there it is, a lot easier with a ladle. Now, like crumpets, these do get little bubbles in them, but not as much, because the only rising agent you've used is the bicarbonate of soda and not yeast. Let's see how they're doing. Oh. See, these have joined together, so I'll just try to separate them, because there's more. And they're that quick to do. In fact, the temperature is a bit too high, but we'll leave them up the top end because that gets not as hot. Like I said, this mixture doesn't make many, but you can double it, treble it, quadruple it, which is what I used to do. Get a plate for them. So they are now ready. Put them up there. And these, oh. And that's as easy, and you can have these toasted, put butter on them, they're an or eat them as they are. They're so light and creamy tasting as well, but they do taste better with butter. Bye!
It's a perfect situation.